My goal is same to crack SSC CGL.
Means you have to means particularly which department do you want in SSC?
Income tax department.
Income tax. Why?
Because I like the working profile. My name is Astha, and its literal meaning is belief or faith. And in Hindu mythology, you can say that people are believing in God of their specific belief. So this is the meaning.
Okay.
And where are you from?
I am from Koderma, which the district is Koderma, but I live in Jumitilia. The hometown is Jumitilia.
Okay. So can you specialize your district Jhumri Talaiya, that what are the special thing in this district?
So the things which I like in Jumitilia is, first of all, there are many tourist places like Clear Dam, KTPS Vanjadi, and one fall which is Bindaha Fall. And if I talk about the infrastructure of the particular district is also good. So the cleanliness is also good, and there is a good railway network also. Means which connects from all Delhi to Kolkata also. Means and it is also a junction.
All the routes are there.
Yes.
Connected to this.
So can you from where you are?
I am from Hazaribagh only.
Hazaribagh. So can you highlight the major things which I should visit in Hazaribagh?
Major thing are in Hazaribagh there are several parks, and there is Canary Hill, and which is very famous for their view, especially at the top. You can see the NH33 over there. And I am a home person, so I really don't know about the traveling places over there.
So hello. So as Astha, you had spoken about your meaning. Means you have faith. The actual meaning is faith. So can you highlight that you have faith in yourself or not?
I do faith in myself. I think I should be optimistic about myself. And if I have faith on myself, then only I can do anything. And faith is also a symbol of confidence in myself. And if I have confidence, then I can do anything.
Okay. So can you highlight about your qualifications?
Qualification. So recently I am doing graduation from St. Columbus College in economics honors. And what's your qualification?
Currently, I am pursuing a bachelor's degree in English literature.
English literature. From which college?
Another college.
Okay. So why you choose Ananda College?
I don't have, as I told you that I am not from Hazaribagh. So I don't have the idea of the particular colleges in Hazaribagh. So that's why I took admission in another college.
Okay. And why you chosen English honors?
I guess just to get involved in the literature. So that's why I take English as
So
well.
what part of literature do you like? I mean, there are so many parts like dramas, acts. So what is your special thing that you really like?
I like the dramas.
Dramas.
Yes. So as you told about your colleges, Miss, you are the student of St. Columbus College from economics honors.
Yeah.
So can you highlight that about the department of economics? The major things did you notice in the economics department?
So my economics department is, I think, one of the best department in BA honors, and the teachers are also good. There are 5 teachers, and especially the HOD is very well experienced with the subject economics, and he also guide us very well. And department is also quite good. There are several activities are there. I also gone for Teachers Day, where teacher started motivating us and says that online classes are also good, and offline classes you should also appreciate the offline classes. And teacher always motivate us to go college, because most of the students are doing something else and they are not attending college as much, so they are also motivating to go to college. Instead of doing English honors, what you are doing, what are your aim?
So currently I'm preparing for SSC CGL.
Okay.
So I just started my online session as well as offline sessions to cover my syllabus.
So you are doing offline sessions also?
Some offline sessions.
So what are the subject you are doing?
I just prefer to do offline sessions of mathematics because it is a practical subject. We should get if we read thoroughly, then we should get doubt also. So that's the reason I just joined offline classes.
And it also help in consistency.
Yes, because the mathematics if mathematics wants speed, means it can be increased by the environment also. So that's the reason.
I totally agree. And have you done online mathematics classes?
Yes, previously I have attended online sessions of mathematics also.
Which, sir?
Rakesh Yadav sir.
Okay, so what difference you find in online mathematics and offline mathematics classes?
So the major difference between offline and online is the interaction between the teachers. Means I can't interact with the teachers. Means if I have get a doubt, then where to ask the question. So that's the reason, first reason, and secondly the internet connectivity also, because major thing is that it also hamper the health also, means my eyesight, and it can damage my eyes. So that's the reason. So I attended.
But you can put the specs. So if you
As
have
I
green skin.
so as I told you that my vision is not 6/6, but for after wearing my vision specs, then I have my 6/6 vision. So I just coated my lens with ARC, means ND reflection coating also. So that's the reason. So I can use my handset easily. So
Okay. And what are the other online classes you do?
other than I just attend English classes, GS classes, and some current affair classes also.
For reasoning?
For reasoning, I just attended an online session and that just completed.
From which teacher?
The teacher name is P.S. Varsane.
This was I heard about him.
So what's your goal?
My goal is same, to crack SSC CGL.
Means you have to, means particularly which department do you want in SSC CGL?
Income tax department.
Income tax. Why?
Because I like the working profile where they are checking all this taxes and all. So I'm really interested in taxations,
Okay.
in calculating them. And what's your desired post?
ASO in MEA.
ASO. ASO is ASO providing external service?
Yes.
External service.
Yes.
So why you are interested in?
Because everyone wants to do service in foreign, so that's why.
So why don't you choose UPSC? I mean, there are several posts are there, IFS and all.
As you know that particularly we are studying in graduation, and in every competitive exam we have to study mathematics, reasoning, English, and GS. So for that reason, I just prepare for CGL, and my long-term aim is to do UPSC only.
So why don't you choose it first? I mean, UPSC syllabus is so vast that
First
you
of all,
can,
it's need about means if you get stable in life, then you don't have any stress. So that's the reason.
so first you are choosing the financial stability,
Yes.
then you will think. And what's your backup plan? I mean, so many people are just preparing for SSC CGL, and yesterday there is a result of SSC CGL where cutoff is so high, 145. So what do you think? If the situation is there that you didn't crack the exam, then what will you do? As do you believe in plan B?
So every person has two plans in their backup plans, because if they get fail in their first examination, then they have a backup plan also. Means they can active in that particular plan. My first plan is to crack CGL, and my backup plan is to crack UPSC, because UPSC takes time a lot, and it's and don't have that much patience. So and UPSC requires that much patience. So that's the reason only.
Don't you feel like if both are the competitive exam and your plan B is much tougher than the plan A?
Yes.
So plan B is usually that plan which is
As every person wants to get job easily, so that's the reason I take decision that I will firstly crack this CGL, then I will decide for the difficult one.